give Awit a new toy. Awit, I have something for you. Come here.
What is it?
Huh? Oh, I know you like this.
Yes, I know. I got it from last time.
Oh,
I really got it last time when it's Ray's birthday.
okay. So you like this one?
Yes.
Are we going to open it now?
Yes.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, Mama bought this one for you.
Oh, it's you. It's not.
It's me?
Yes.
Oh, you know that I bought this one?
Yes, I know.
Okay, let's
That's
open.
nice.
Let's open that. Open this one. I'm going to help you open it. Are you?
Here. Where's the knock's body?
Body?
Yeah, for knock. Where's it? Where's it? Because it's so big.
Here's Olaf.
Hi guys.
Oh, we
And
have
this is-
Anna here.
This is knock, okay guys?
Okay.
This cat. What cat is this? I never seen
And
this.
who's this?
It's knock.
Oh,
And who's this?
I don't know.
Guys.
Maybe it's just a cat. Maybe they know that.
Maybe. Okay, if you know this cat, write in the comments again.
Okay.
Don't do it! There, with Elsa. Elsa, stop putting knock away. Where's the other one? Number 7, right?
Yeah. Number 7. Uh-huh. Where are we now?
Number 7. Wait, let me get the glass. The question I need the glass. Let me get the glass. Where's the... Okay, here it goes. Okay, now. Wait, how do you put it over there?
Okay.
Wait, it needs the white piece. This one.
Okay.
Found it. This glass.
Oh, a drinking glass.
Let's pick the chair now.
Chair, where's the chair? Oh, this is the chair. Where is it? This one.
Wait,
what we have done so far. Very good.
Let's see.
This is what we have done so far. But we have so many blocks to do, so it's okay.
And it's gonna be a long video, guys.
It's okay. I'm going to cut the other. Then we're going to find the
Well, we're number 8. We're number 8. We're number 8.
Now we're going to put this one.
Yay! Can I put it on? Let's put the glass up. The stairs is broken.
We're going to make this one. It says here
But
times
I
2.
have it. I have it. Where is it?
I think it is like this one. So this is what we have built so far. And out of this,
Oh yeah,
we're
if
going
you
to
watch
build
part
mini
1, if you watch part 1, like and do it in the comments. This side.
Okay. Oh,
Wait, no.
almost done.
No, it's not. It's not. Oh no! Be like this.
Yeah, that's correct. How about the sticker? Can you put the sticker?
I have enough. Next time.
Yeah. The sticker.
Here you go.
Can you get it?
I think so. Okay. And let's stick it like this. And like
Let me
this.
see. Let me see. Ooh.
Like this.
Very good.
Now you can go now.
Hey guys. So far, this is what we have done.
Actually, sorry because the noise is distracting the.
Okay, we're going to put the third floor now, the roof.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do something else. Just, hi guys. Sorry the noise.
So,
Ah!
the third floor now.
I'm
That's okay. Let me see. I'm gonna help you.
I'm doing the roof.
Okay. Where are we now?
Wait, not yet.
help us put the sticker. Let me see how you put it. Okay, the other one.
Yung hangin po. Yung sa baba ko. Tanggalin ka lang muna. Hindi po ako makakita.
Okay.
Let's put no, and where's the cat?
Where's the cat?
Over there. Right there.
Oh, yeah.
And Elsa's. And this. Where's Noah? Here it is.
The horse? Ah, yeah. Beautiful. So, we have a castle now of Elsa and Anna.
Yes. And a cat. And Olaf. And Noah.
Yeah.
We're done, guys.
Let's look inside. You have a beautiful table there.
And a
And a chair. Oh, let's look at the chair. Is it movable chair?
Yes, it is. And you can open that. We can make it look like a bed, just in case the princesses are sleeping.
Yeah, they want to sleep. And then, let's see how Olaf's there. Okay. Great. Do you think they are enjoying their castle now?